Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 3:15 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bridgeport, or near Chatham, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Evanston, Oak Lawn, Chatham, Stickney, Midway Airport, Lincoln Park, Northerly Island, Navy Pier, Burbank, Evergreen Park, Bridgeport, Forest View, Bedford Park, Englewood, Rogers Park, Logan Square, Douglas Park, and Lakeview. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 285 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 356 and 358. Interstate 94 between mile markers 46 and 68. Interstate 290 between mile markers 25 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 46 and 68. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is no weather radio.